Good day everyone, my name is Kelvin Gamurot, which is your leader on Isay. So our LA require us to bring item tomorrow. So here was the list. Total 12 item to bring. So I'm going to bring oil and milk. So Miljarel,
Ako paper.
what would you bring tomorrow?
So what I'm gonna be tomorrow is rubbing alcohol and food color. Hello?
Okay. Mark, what would you bring?
I will bring soap
Mark Justin, you first.
I will bring dish soap and honey.
Okay. The other Mark Chino.
I volunteer to bring grapes and metal boat.
Okay. EMJ.
I'll bring plastic beads and food color.
I really bit choppy, but okay. I can understand it. The last member, what would you bring tomorrow?
I bring toddlers and ping pong ball.
So that makes a total 12 item. So don't absent tomorrow, okay? That's a very important day. So thank you for attending on this online meeting. So thank you. You can leave now.
Thank you.